Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to a Christmas decorating video. Today we're going to be decorating my office. This is going to be the first space we're going to decorate, but we've got plenty more decorating videos coming your way. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Hydro. You guys know I have talked to you about Hydro before, and I am thrilled to talk to you about them again. Hydro rowers are an immersive, full body workout, not just for rowers, but for anyone looking to take control of their health. I have spoken freely about my love of working out from home, and the Hydro rower has been an incredible addition to our at-home options. I chose a rower because of its incredible unique benefits compared to other types of cardio equipment. The Hydro rower offers a full body workout that engages up to 86% of muscles while still providing a low weight bearing exercise that's easy on your joints. I've talked to you about the arthritis in my feet, and rowing offers a very comfortable workout experience. I also love that I'm getting cardio and strength training all in one. The Hydro rower has a luxurious design made of aluminum and steel with a crystal clear display and a uniquely quiet fitness experience. And with 3 models, the Arc, the Wave, and the Origin, there's something to fit everyone's needs and their space. The extensive library offers over 5,000 workout options, including rowing, yoga, strength training, and more. The gorgeous images and the workouts transport users to beautiful waterways in places like Boston, London, Switzerland, Hawaii, and more, with over 100 locations worldwide. And the workouts are led by exceptional athletes, including elite rowers, celebrated Olympians, and inspirational coaches. And don't worry if you never rowed before. I had never rowed before either. It always looked like such a peaceful workout to me. And luckily for me, Hydro offers how to row videos. So you get the proper form down and you learn what you're doing. And they offer workouts for all levels, both on and off the rower. I have to tell you, my favorite part about using the Hydro rower is the stress relief and the endorphin rush that I get from these workouts. I always walk away feeling strong and empowered. So if you're looking to take control of your health, now is the time. Hydro is having their Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, their biggest sale of the year. And when you use my code GROVE, you're gonna get an additional $50 off the already discounted prices. That means $550 off the Origin, $200 off the Wave, and $200 off the Arc. I have truly enjoyed adding rowing into my workout routine, and I am so excited to be sharing this great offer with you. Do not miss their biggest sale of the year. Use the link down in my description box. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to use code GROVE for an additional $50 off. And thank you again to Hydro for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick look at the tree. I picked up this flocked tree from Walmart along with this tree collar that is basically like a copper color. It's so pretty. And this is what we're going to be using to decorate with today, mostly from Walmart, but I do have a couple of other things sprinkled in. I picked up these shatterproof ornaments from Walmart and they are so pretty. They're all in different shades of taupe and brown and gold and champagne, perfect for this neutral colored tree. These are also from Walmart. These are from holiday time. They're so pretty, and I think I got a total of 6 of them. So I started with the darkest ornaments, and my plan was just to go through the tree and bring in as much dimension as possible. This is my first time ever decorating a flocked tree, and it's very, very light, and so I wanted to make sure that I was bringing in some contrasting color, and so that's what we're doing with the dark shatterproof ornaments. I love that these are shatterproof because I do a lot of changing my clothes in this room in front of this mirror. I do a lot of clothing hauls in here, and I didn't want to accidentally whack it and break something. I will say that these diamond-shaped ones that I'm putting on are glass, so those could break, but they're beautiful. They reflect the light. I tried to put them near a light as much as I could, and I think that they turned out really, really pretty.
next up, I wanted to add in some softness with this beautiful velvet ribbon from my Texas house. Also picked this up from Walmart. It's in this beautiful taupe color, and I used it to just make some very simple bows that I wanted to put on the tree to bring in just a touch of feminine. Being that it's here in my office, I thought that this was appropriate, and it looks really, really beautiful. Bows are just so pretty on a tree. So like I said, I just made a little bow, trimmed off the edges, and I just kind of laid them right in the tree. I didn't tie them on the tree. I just laid them on the tree. That way I could move them if I didn't like where they were. I also did not cut the ribbon before tying the bow. This is a huge tip that I would give you. Do not cut the ribbon until you know exactly how big you need it to be, because if you cut it and it's too long, then you're wasting it and you might get 1 or 2 less bows. So that's what I did. I tied as I went, and I did the first 2, and then I made the rest of the bows. Once I knew how many I had, I knew how to appropriately space them on the tree, and I think that they're so pretty and add just a really gentle and cute and beautiful feminine touch. We're moving into day 2. I had to run out to Michael's to pick up a tree topper. I did not have one, and I felt like it didn't look complete without one. So I grabbed this really pretty champagne colored one. I felt like it fit the vibe of the tree really well, and it looks very pretty up here on the top. It is pure glitter, let me just say that. So there was a ton of glitter on my hands and all over the floor, but it does look really, really pretty, and it adds just the right finishing touch, I feel. It really needed something on the top. It just looked kind of incomplete without it. I also wanted to grab some stems to put into the tree, so I grabbed these really pretty rose gold ones. They were on sale for $1.99, so I got 10 of them, and I just think that these are a great little touch. I do feel like it's still missing something. I don't know if maybe it needs some more touches of dark, maybe a darker ribbon to also add some bows, but I think it looks really pretty, and this is an extra tree. So although I'm in this office all of the time, probably spend several hours a day, I don't think I need to add any more. I do think that it looks really beautiful and is a nice neutral tree for in this space.
Okay, my friends, my office has been Christmasified. Christmasified? It's been decorated for Christmas. And I will tell you, this is nothing like I typically do, but I will say I am happy to have a space that isn't going to be drenched in red when it comes time, to take photos of outfits or things like that, because I don't think that I would like to take pictures in front of, a Christmas tree that's full of red if I'm wearing pink or something, or blue or something. But this is how it turned out. I love how the tree turned out. It is so pretty. It is so not something I would do. I would say that it's very glam. And I do think that it's still missing something. I don't know what, but I think that it's perfect for this space. And, for what I paid for the whole thing, I didn't want to spend a ton of money for just an extra Christmas tree. My mom will be here by Christmas, and so this will be used. This is, like I said, maybe I didn't say, but this is a Murphy bed. There is a queen size bed in there. This will push down just a little bit to give room for the bed, and then she can either leave it out every day if she wants, or we can put it away so she has more room in here. But my cousin Kaylee slept on it a couple of weeks ago, and she said that it was really comfortable. So this top part opens up, this folds open, and then this part pulls down so that you can pull the bed out, and then the drawer slides all the way out. And in the drawer are the pillows. Oh gosh, one-handed is hard. The pillows and the blanket and the sheets and everything. So it's nice. It's a nice little bed. So if you're curious about it, check out my office makeover video, and you can see this like fully opened and how that all works out. This is a great little thing. I'll have it linked for you down below. It's from Amazon. You do have to buy the mattress separately, but it is such a great little space saver. I'm really, really happy with it. So I did try to put a candle in this really pretty wooden house from Walmart, but it doesn't open. So you can't stick a candle in there. I'm sure you could probably use like a tea light that you could turn sideways. I don't have a flameless tea light, so it's fine. I have an amaretto cookie candle that smells divine. I did burn it before I used it in here. I do need to turn it back on, but I turned it off because it messes with the camera while I'm filming. And then this little tree is from Home Goods, and it does light up.
This little guy is from Walmart. You guys have seen him. I love him. And yeah. And then over here, we've just got the Nutcracker, who is he from Walmart? Yes, he's from Walmart. And this little light up gingerbread house that I just got, this little ceramic one from Home Goods, and my tissues. And then this blanket is from Home Goods as well. I thought it was really pretty. And I keep it here to like warm my tush because this is like very breathable, which is great. So you don't get overheated, but if you get cold easily like I do, I just put the blanket there. That way also when the cats are laying there, they're not clawing at my chair. They don't claw at things. I just mean like when they jump up, they're doing that to the blanket, not my chair. And then I do have a heated blanket under here. I've talked about my heated blanket. That's from Brookstone, I believe, from Target. It is fantastic. It's a faux fur blanket. It is so incredibly comfortable. I will link it for you. It would make an excellent Christmas gift as well. And then I have like a little footstool that I use, a little foam footstool, and then my trash can, which is actually from Target. It is technically, I think it's a planter because it's lined, but because it's lined, I just use it as a trash can. It's wonderful. So that is that. Here is the look, my view from my little chair, and it is so cute, you guys. I really do love just this neutral feel. It's so very different for me. I did move some pictures over here to make room for the Christmas decor. I moved the picture of my father-in-law and I, and the picture of Anne and I to over here. And I have this vintage Chanel sign, which I absolutely love. I bought it from a local boutique. And yeah. And then Danny did bring me up the little space heater that ends up looking like a little fireplace. I don't have it plugged in right now because it's warm in here, but I will turn that on like early in the morning when I need to warm up the space. So there we go. That is going to do it. Let me step back and give you a little view, but I think it looks really pretty. You can see the tree from outside with the windows open at night. So that's nice. And my desk is also from Walmart. I'm not sorry, from Amazon. My desk is from Amazon. My chair is from Amazon. And I love that desk. It is perfect. So anyway, my friends, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. There will be, the next video you see should be more Christmas decorating. I think it's going to be my kitchen. I'm going to go start working on that right now. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.